We have a new youngest billionaire in India. Yeah, that's this guy right here, Nikhil Kamath. He is also a chess champion. I watched this little clip on him here. He wasn't super into school, which is not a common thing in India. When I was there and I was meeting people, they were explaining to me how much studying they do and how dedicated they are to school. And I think in most circumstances, that's still the route to go. In his case, he took a sort of unusual path, became a chess champion, and then started a trading platform for stocks and basically a brokerage kind of. And kind of like a modern brokerage. Like you have your phone and you can quickly and easily move money around and purchase stocks, buy, sell, etc. Similar to Robinhood in the US. It's called Zerodha. And actually that's a combination of two words, which they show in the video, but now I've totally blanked on it. The meaning of Zerodha. It's two words combined. Okay, a combination of zero and rodha, the Sanskrit word for barrier. So 0 barriers. See that, Will?
Cool.
Anyway, there's a little clip there about his history and how he got to where he was going, and of course it's in finance, and of course it's in the stock market and trading, because as you know, that whole thing has just taken off because of COVID, and it turns out the Indian market's a lot like the market here in North America, where a lot of people have been at home making money with stocks, sitting around getting hyped, getting excited. And obviously, there's been a lot of growth in India around all kinds of startups and all kinds of businesses. And individuals want to invest, and the more activity, the better off he does, and the more he climbs the rankings. But as of right now, he is India's youngest billionaire, 34 years old. Congrats, Nikhil Kamath.